Hi, I'm Amir, the CEO of Kip Engine, and I'm here with Erica, our CTO. We have built the first Web3 game engine for the Metaverse. This is a complete infrastructure for making 3D experiences, games, and assets super easily and being able to share them. We want to empower a creator economy, kind of like the TikTok of the Metaverse. By the way, KIP stands for Knowledge is Power. The Web3 metaverse should be a scalable, always on, constantly evolving virtual world where people build, modify, and interact with objects and each other in real time. So this is known as persistence. But Web3 gaming and metaverse infrastructure sucks. Traditional game engines just can't power the Web3 metaverse. They were never built for complex open world environments with persistence and Web3 values. Games are static applications. That's where 3D assets are compiled and they have to run within gaming devices. So interoperability and ownership is impossible. The future of the metaverse just has to be web-based. Existing web graphics perform really badly. They're slow and inefficient with poor mobile browser support. So the games end up using low quality graphics. There is poor user and developer experience too. With Unity, you have to compile code, which generates bloated applications that overwhelm browsers. And if you want to add GameFi and NFTs, you need to know blockchain coding, which is another barrier to entry. There is poor accessibility and distribution because you have to download large files from places like Apple Store or run the games on specialized hardware. So user onboarding, even with crypto wallets, is a massive nightmare. Game assets and NFTs can't be reused. There is no way to make them interoperable and to know their functionality. So existing metaverses are not so decentralized as assets are not stored permanently. All the game and graphic assets are on centralized servers. Our platform is the best way to build the metaverse. The game engine is built entirely in WebAssembly, giving you super fast and optimized graphics. The Metaverse Studio is the easy no-code way to make and publish cool 3D experiences, saving you time and money. And the asset library will have user-generated content from 3D spaces, weapons, clothing, animations, and even spells that are all composable and used for building games and experiences. So it's all about what you can imagine. With SmartWeave meta assets, game assets could be composed of multiple parts. For example, a car can have different wheels, it can have engines, doors, it can have speed and handling. The asset library is connected to the marketplace, which connects creators and players. And all these assets are backed by Arweave. So the metaverse has permanence. We're not just using Arweave for the permanence and for the backing up the assets, but SmartWeave for blockchain-based resource management. And we have the Web3 metaverse. So now over to Erica.
As you can see, we've got high quality graphics and real-time physics, which means you can grab objects and throw them around. Of course, we also have avatars and VR ready for Oculus. What you see is from our proprietary engine, entirely developed in-house. Building the metaverse is easy. Just drag and drop, then apply whatever materials, interactions you want. Real-time lighting, shadows, reflections are built in, just as GameFi and blockchain logic will be. So creators can focus on building amazing experiences that can go viral. Adding an NFT is just a matter of creating a frame and putting it against the wall in the gallery of your choice. Also, we have developed what we call meta assets for composable NFTs. These are 3D assets permanently stored and accessed through a SmartWeave contract. Our node-based interface makes it really easy to create and manage such assets.
Thank you, Erica. So our engine will power multiple metaverses. We will launch Kips.xyz as the first, and users make non-custodial accounts. Every user gets their own metaverse home. They create the assets, which are then published onto Arweave and the marketplace. These are fully customizable and composable thanks to SmartWeave contracts. And because all the assets are web-based, they can easily be embedded in pages or shared via social media and instant messaging. Our tools can bring the next social phenomenon, just as YouTube and TikTok did for Web 2. This ease of user-generated content can grow communities from gaming, fashion, and art through all the way to music. The viral loop creates demand as members sign up to claim their space in the metaverse creator economy. So the goal of our go-to-market strategy is to build a creator economy and ecosystem. Along with social media, game jams, and grants, we also plan to have innovative ways to attract developers who are not from the crypto space to come and claim airdropped tokens and to use our platform. We have a marketplace business model together with a strong game economy. So for the tokenomics or the token use case, we are still in the process of designing all the incentives and mechanisms to keep developers building and for players to keep discovering and playing. For example, tokens can be staked on our platform for share of platform fees. And in the future, we'd also have licensing fees, which also go back to those who are staking the token. Here's a quick look at how we use our funds. And I won't take up too much time on here. So next, a lot of the game engine technology has been completed. And we are working on the proof of concept, or we finished the proof of concept. We're now launching our MVP this quarter. So we've got a lot done. While we hit our technical milestones across the year, we will be partnering and onboarding users from across the creative space. Here's our team. We are all Web3 natives with strong domain knowledge in blockchain and computer graphics. And you can see the link for the live demo, which is alpha.kips.xyz. You can test this on desktop, mobile, and even within the Oculus. So just go into the Oculus browser and you can have a full VR experience. We are currently raising seed funding. So come straight over to the Kip table and remember, knowledge is power. You can meet me on my team and we would love to tell you more. Thank you.